at that speed. You know, as I was telling you earlier, you can actually, I would put your finger around the back of this to start with. You can actually slow it down by the buttons up here. And we'll put it on number 2. Number 2 is nice and comfortable. And then we'll bring air in rather than out. I should bring it to a standstill, and then I go the other way, bringing air in. As I say, this is a problem. Mosquitoes. You're lying in bed in here on a night and you'll be bit to pieces with mosquitoes. Plus the fact it's sucking air in and blowing it at you. So it's gonna, you could do with some sort of fine mesh over the top to stop the mosquitoes being sucked in and blown at you. Because once they're in, they bite you to bits, and they're in here for ages. I mean, look, we got these. You can't actually see. We got these things everywhere in here. These mosquito things. This one's packing up, I think. The one down the back there, it only works when the lighting's on. I believe that was Alexa just going off. I don't know what's happened there. Unless it's, we've knocked the thing, I'll be. We've knocked the USB. Alexa's on now, so that should be working. Unless this one's wore out as well, because I've had it running for all night and days to get rid of the mosquitoes in here. It's plugged into here. Yeah, I think it's done. I think it's died a death. I really do. I really do think it's died a death. It's kaput. It's kaput. Okay. Unless it's just exhausted. Let's turn it off. And let's see if the thing charges up, because it's a rechargeable base. That's rechargeable. It's been left plugged in. Let's see if being plugged in charges it back up. Let's hope that it does. And then the one down here, this is mine's. This is mine's, but it's normally lit up all the way up the top. I think that's on its way out. I'll give it a... that one's gone, I think. But we got these in here because of mosquitoes. I'm going to give it a break. The one down this end, this 240 volt one, is going like a good one. This is no problem. As you can see, there is flies caught in there. This is another thing that Titan could fit into that actual vent. Would be some insect. I don't know what they call those. Insect atomizers, as they call them. Maybe you could fit an insect atomizer on one end, push this down, fit one on one end of there, so that it attracts the mosquitoes to the light and then kills them before they get blown in with the fan. It's just someone else you could think of with another product. Anyway, Jero, I'm trying to think for you. I hope you appreciate it. I certainly appreciate the help you've given me. Jero, I'm going to be off now. I've done my build up of my fan and wiring and everything else. So over and out, and everybody else, as well as Jero and all my friends at Titan Technologies, thank you very much. Please like and subscribe. I need your I need all your votes. Thank you very much. Bye bye.